Good morning, ISE 2025. This is David Rien, EMES House Director for Vivitek. And today I'm going to introduce you to our all-in-one LED solution. So this is a 1.5 pitch LED wall. It's doing 135-inch diagonal, and it's in full HD resolution. This product, as I mentioned, is an all-in-one, so it's coming with all the bells and whistles around all-in-one. It means you have an OPS built in, you have our NovoConnect stage software that is also embedded, that offers you wireless collaboration capability in Windows. And also we are shipping this unit with a wall mount with extra LED, just in case some of them are failing, so you are up and running immediately. And what else can I say? Oh, I forgot. This is using the COB technology, which give you the advantage of having a flat surface, so it's easy to maintain, and also it's not warm at all, so it will not create any extra heat in your meeting room. So thank you. Come and visit us on our booth. It's 3K700, and hope to see you soon. Thank you.